Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to do a charging speed test of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, and we're also going to check if it is faster than the Z Flip 4. Now do note that the Z Flip 5, just like the Z Flip 4, does not come with a charger in the box. However, it does charge at a maximum speed of 25 watts with a wired charger. I have linked a few chargers in the description of the video. Next up, make sure that you have fast charging enabled if you want it to charge to its maximum speed. So for that, you will go into settings, battery and device care, tap on battery, scroll down, go into more battery settings, and here it is, you have a toggle for fast charging. Then if you go back to the main screen of battery, herein, if your charger is charging with the maximum speed, you're going to see over here super fast charging. That means you have the correct super fast charger to charge your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now, next up, we did drain the battery to 0%, and in the first 15 minutes, we were up to 24%. Samsung claims that in 30 minutes you will get 50% of charge. That claim is not right, because in 30 minutes on the Z Flip 5 we were at 46%, and our experience was similar with the Z Flip 4 last year as well, which was at 47% in 30 minutes. In fact, a 50% charge on the Z Flip 5 took us around 33 minutes, and for the Z Flip 4 it was 32 minutes and 9 seconds. Then in the 45-minute mark we were at 65% on the Z Flip 5, and at 1 hour the Z Flip 5 was at 83%. And the surprising thing over here is that even the Z Flip 4 was at 83% in 60 minutes. In 75 minutes, both the Z Flip 5 and the Z Flip 4 were at 92%. So in 1 hour and 27 minutes, the Z Flip 4 fully charged to 100%, but the Z Flip 5 did not do that. In fact, at the 90-minute mark, the Z Flip 5 was at 97%, and a full charge from 0 to 100 for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 was 1 hour and 34 minutes. So, a super disappointing thing that the Z Flip 5, which is a newer phone, charges around 7 or 8 minutes slower from 0 to 100 when compared to the Z Flip 4. And here on screen are the comparison numbers for the Z Flip 4 versus the Z Flip 5 charging speeds.